Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to go through a feature of VandalWeb that I absolutely love, the degree audit. After accessing your VandalWeb, you can easily conduct a degree audit following just a few steps. First, you click Students, then you click Degree Audit and Transcript. Finally, you click Degree Audit. This will take you to the page where you can access your degree audit. The way that the University of Idaho sets this page up makes it extremely user-friendly and easy to use. Each green checked box represents a class that you have already taken. Each unchecked box indicates a class needed for graduation. This easy layout is something that I really appreciate about the degree audit. The degree audit also gives students the ability to see what time a required class is offered in the upcoming semesters. You just click on the class name and a window will pop up with the class description and the times that the class will be offered in the upcoming semester. This makes it convenient for students to plan out their semesters and decide when and what classes they'd like to take in the future. Another useful feature is the ability to perform a what-if scenario right from the degree audit. On the left-hand side of the degree audit page, you click What If, and from there, you can see how changing your major would affect your path of study. Let's change my major from food science to biology. First, you click the catalog year, then you click on degree, do Bachelor's of Science, and then you pick the college, Bachelor's of Science, and then the major, biology. Finally, you click Process What If, and you'll be redirected to a page that shows how your current path of study will be altered by changing your major. This is a very convenient feature for many college students because we will all probably think about changing our major at some point. I hope you all appreciate and use these unique key features of VandalWeb. It is something that makes the University of Idaho unique. Have a great day.